Yeah, welcome to another video on the New Tech channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix this error on your Xampp installation on Windows. And if you notice that whenever you try to start your Xampp machine, you are getting this error message that says MySQL Shutdown Unexpectedly. Here is how to fix the error. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to come to your File Explorer and then go to your local disk C and then locate the Xampp folder on the program files, and then go to MySQL. Is to rename this folder, and then you want to change that to old, and then you create a new folder and say data. Alright, so the next thing is to open up the old data folder, and then you'd want to copy your installation folders and the IB data 1 folder. So you'd want to make sure to leave out the MySQL folder, the performance schema folder, PHP admin folder, as well as the test folder. So you'll not be copying these 4 folders alongside what you're copying. So you're basically copying your installation folders alone and the IB data 1 file. So just click on Ctrl C, and then you come back to your new data folder that you just created, and then click on Ctrl V to paste. Alright, so once you have done that, you come back again to backup, and then you want to copy all that is in here except the IB data 1 folder. Then click on Ctrl C and come back to the data folder that you just created and click on Ctrl V to paste. Alright, so once I've done that, you can now close this File Explorer. You can close this as well to relaunch. Then look for Xampp control panel and then relaunch. Then we start the MySQL. So now MySQL is running successfully on your Windows and the issue has been resolved. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.